Very close up. So we just headed to the moose, and now we're just strolling home. Dinner was actually delicious. I think my finger's over the camera. No.
Daisy, you won't go to sleep.
And it's very chilly. The wind has picked up, but it's gonna drop down, and we're gonna be on the boat at 8:30 tomorrow morning, jumping in by 8:45. Love you. Can you mute that one, please?
Let's go, crazy frog.
You gotta look happy.
You're not gonna get me with it. Yeah, I will. Did you put the other one that tight?
Yep. Watch out.
No.
No, I drive past you. It sounds confusing, but it
Happens.
yeah, it just happens.
Oh. You just need to keep it on the not flat.
Barney, how about you jump and show us how it's done then?
Oh no, I'm just being supportive. This place will just sit up bend over.
It's a video.
Oh, is that tight enough? No. What are you doing? Being sick?
Nice.
I'm gonna fall off.
Hey.
Do you have a helmet?
Like this over the waves.
Oh, I'll give it to you.
Yeah. What's she doing? Oh, I'm a fun mate. Oh, what?
What's your mum doing?
So how's your birthday? Semi thought it was a bit spicy.
It's a bit spicy.
Out for tea.
Just a bit sweet chili.
Like, girls,
Halfway.
$100 if you guys swim out to the 5 knot zone and back.
That's not that far.
Hi. Oh, hi. This is Mario. Go. Go. Ready? Oh. Boom.
Right, what do you want to do? Do you want to go boating or do you want to...
What the fuck?
Oh, real.
Go, Amber! You got a fish, Amber! I can see it now, just before.
Keep that line nice and tight.
Go, Jack!
Yeah!
It's been foul hook. Can you grab that knife over there?
Get a ring!
Oh.
You've been hooked.
I'm a fish!
Stop moving, stop moving.
My video's just straight to ground. Oh man.
Nice. That's real life.
You can get the video down. It's a big one. It's okay. It's huge. Yes, Emma.
Hey, you didn't think they wanted to? Cut the line, cut the line.
My Amber straight up your Instagram because you can pay put a ring on it. How do I... Go, Simi! Yeah! I'm getting on the phone to Cameron. Cameron, go one.
Nice. Good.